come forward. And you know, we've gone through a fairly significant transformation. Our turnover has doubled in the last 12 or 15 months, some through acquisition and some through organic. And we had to look at our salespeople and say, that bunch are absolutely fit for purpose. That bunch we can bring on a journey, and we have a problem down here. And you know, one of the examples I use, that if you listen to, and to me, all joking aside, one of the greatest leaders of all time, which is Alex Ferguson, the year that he won the treble, within weeks or months, he got rid of 6 of his stars because they weren't the right people for him going forward. They had done a great job for him, treat them with the dignity that they deserve, but you need to refresh your talent.